Crafty friends, I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I have a design team craft haul from ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 retail locations. You could visit them on their Etsy store or on the web. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Today, I'm going to review a beautiful collection by Stamperia called Hortensia. Now, this came out last summer, and I've been hoarding it for a special project. In fact, I've created several projects that I can't wait to share with you. In this collection, you will receive the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8, and they also come with beautiful chipboard die cuts. So let's review the 12 by 12 collection first. When I look at this collection, the first thing that catches my eye are the beautiful lilac colors. Now, Hortensia means hydrangea, and as you know, they come in a variety of different shades. I love the images of the beautiful ladies, the bird cage. This is just a beautiful collection. On the inside first page, we have these beautiful cut aparts, and they have lovely sentiments on it. Here it says, flowers are like friends. They bring color to your world. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Dream big. And I love that you get a variety of different sizes that you can use depending on your project. On the next page, we have these larger cut aparts. These are perfect for 6 by 6 cards. You have a beautiful silhouette of this lady, a bouquet of hydrangeas, this bird cage, and then more of the hydrangeas here. And on the back, you have these beautiful images. The back of these cards look just as beautiful as the front. Here we have an all-over hydrangea image. You've got these beautiful printed elements and patterns. On the next page, you have this light dotted print, the blue printed pattern on the top, and then a patchwork of designs on the left side. We have another image of this beautiful lady. She looks so ethereal. And you have the hydrangeas on the left side, and more of this mixed media design in the back. On the back page, you have this very light, muted, beautiful colors. You've got roses and hydrangeas, beautiful details. You have another beautiful silhouette of a lady and more hydrangeas. And I love the beautiful blue butterflies in the background. On the back, we have this light blue with a white swirl detail. On the next page, we have this beautiful image of a window with this beautiful bouquet of hydrangeas. You have this all over collage. You've got a faint script writing in the back. You have images of tree branches. I think this page is one of my favorites. I love all of the details in this page. You've got the script writing, this beautiful bird cage. You could actually fussy cut this out and just have this as a feature on a card. You've got the birds, the patchworks, and of course, these beautiful hydrangeas. You've got this beautiful muted lavender with this scroll detail. This page has this beautiful center focal image. It looks like you're looking into a window, and it's flanked by beautiful hydrangeas. And you have the beautiful script and text in the background. On this page, we have a pink and white stripe with dots and hints of blue. This is a beautiful wall of hydrangeas, and if you're doing scrapbooking, a beautiful photo can go right here in the center. This is the back page. You have a beautiful muted blue with hints of lavender, and speckled throughout, you have these beautiful butterflies in blue and lavender. On this page, you have fun tags that you can cut apart, and all of these images are reflective of the pages that I've just shown you. Next, we have a beautiful collage of stripes in lavenders and plums and pinks and greens. On this page, we have these beautiful cut aparts of circles and ovals and squares. This is perfect for scrapbooking. You can fussy cut these images and put a photo right in the center. On this page, you have this all over floral pattern in a green and white, and you also have hints of blue speckled throughout. And on this very last page, you have these beautiful cut aparts. Now, these images are quite large, so they will be fairly easy to cut out, but you've got this beautiful clock, the individual hydrangeas in blue and purple and pink. You have 2 silhouettes of the beautiful ladies and the bird cages. So that is a 12 by 12. Next, we're going to look at the 8 by 8. The 8 by 8 collection is just like the 12 by 12. However, the images are smaller. So this is perfect for card making. And again, you have these wonderful sentiments here. And as you can see, this is the perfect size for a card. And each of these images here, you can also fussy cut. This is such a romantic and dreamy paper collection. And you have more of these beautiful pieces of ephemera to cut apart. Next, we have the die cuts, and these are chipboard pieces. And let me just take these out for you. You've got several beautiful images. You've got sentiments. You have a large clock image here. More sentiments. Here are the beautiful frames. Got an oval here with a hydrangea. And I love that you have a mix of the larger pieces as well as the tiny pieces. Here's a pretty tag. Got several tags here. Got another silhouette. And more sentiments. And then, of course, several butterflies. And the individual hydrangeas. This concludes my review of the Stamperia Hortensia collection. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please be sure to watch my next few videos to see how I've used this collection to create 3 beautiful new projects. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.